Hi everybody, I hope that you are all okay. I just wanted to give you a super quick video about how to make homemade Play-Doh. Now, Play-Doh is so much fun. I'm a massive fan of the stuff, but most importantly, it is amazing at supporting young children's development. The strength that they can build up just by rolling, squeezing, squashing Play-Doh in their fine motor is phenomenal, but also it's an endless opportunity for imagination and creative play. So we have it out in our nursery all the time and the children absolutely love it. So sometimes I make it, sometimes my amazing nursery nurse makes it, but also we make it with the children sometimes too, and they love it. They love making it. It gives them a sense of real ownership over their learning. So this is something, it's a super easy recipe, literally 6 ingredients, less than 5 minutes. So it's something that they can definitely join in and help you out with at home. But obviously we are using boiling water and the hob. So as you know, just make sure that you are supervising them and that they are okay. So also when the children help out, that is not only developing their communication and language skills, such as understanding and listening and attention, following instructions, but also their math skills, measuring out ingredients, pouring things in, again, working on their fine motor. So it's a really easy thing to do that covers an amazing amount of areas to support their development. Now, lots of the ingredients you will probably have at home, and there might be the odd one or two that you don't have. So if and when you get a chance to go to the shop, they're all really cheap. You can get them in the baking aisle, but I'll add them all in. So let's make some Play-Doh. So the ingredients you'll need to make this super easy Play-Doh recipe is just flour. I'm using plain flour today, but any flour that you've got at home will work fine. Salt, cooking oil, cream of tartar, boiling water, and any food colouring that you would like. Obviously you don't have to change your Play-Doh into different colours, but if you would like to, grab some dye as well. Here we go. So first up, add 2 cups of flour into your saucepan. We're then going to follow this by half a cup full of salt. Then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, followed by 2 cups of boiling water. Please be careful as it gets very hot. Then we're going to follow it by 5 tablespoons of oil, and then a teaspoon of food colouring. Mix, 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 mix. This part is so important because you don't want the Play-Doh to catch. So make sure you've got your hob on a low heat, and you basically got to keep going. You can't stop, otherwise it will stick to the bottom. And then once you see it's not sticking, that's when you know that your Play-Doh should be good to go. So give it a little pinch. Be careful as it's still quite warm. But once you feel that sort of rubbery sensation, you can roll it in your hands. Then that should be a good indication that you are good to go. So pop it on a surface, wait for it to cool, and then begin kneading the Play-Doh out. The children would love to help with this, but again, just make sure it's not too hot for them to touch. So you just knead it, so you make sure that all of the air bubbles are out and you're ready to go. So I really hope that you found that video really helpful. I'm going to be doing a separate post about suggested activities that you can do with the Play-Doh to extend the children's learning. Enjoy! Let me know how you get on. I'd love to see some pictures of your creations. Take care!